A query is used to read information from the database. Now, queries have their own language, which is called a query language. The data is stored in the database as a set of tables. Now, for each metadata object, a minimum one table is created. So, for example, our catalog contractors without the tabular section contains only one table for data storage. And catalog products with the tabular section contains two tables. One stores information about catalog products elements, and the second one stores information about the tabular section strings. If we need to get access to some data, we should refer to the specific table. So for this purpose, we need queries. The query is an instruction for the platform that describes what data we want and what tables should be used for that purpose. Query forms three conditions to the platform: what tables should be used, what data should be taken, and the options for data selection. So to create a query, we use a query builder. And after that, the query will be formed using the query language that can, of course, be edited. The query is usually used for the report creation. To store data about the activity of accounting subjects, finances, for example, we use registers. The documents that reflect business activities record data in these registers. Reports then use these registers as data sources. Reports demonstratively display information contained in these registers. So let's create a simple report about the products of our company. We call it Products of the Company. So we need to click Open Data Composition Schema, or DCS, to describe what data we want to get. Okay, so there is no schema yet, so we need to create a new one. To create a query, we need to add data set of query type. Now open the Query Builder to create a query. We select all the tables that we need and all the data that we want. We choose Catalog Products. Add full catalog products to tables, and after that, add all the necessary data from catalog products to fields. Okay, click OK and look at the created query. All the used tables and fields are described using the query language. Now we can also see the fields described in the unique table too. Right, let's move to the settings of our report. Here we can see that the default version of the report has already been created, so we only need to edit it. And for that purpose, we need to open Settings Wizard. Choose List option. Now we should select all the fields that will be shown in our report. After that step, the creation of a simple report is complete, so click OK. So in the end, we move to the 1C Enterprise mode to find our report and run it. And that's how we created a simple report using a query.